Slow car repairs. What's going on, YouTube? Today we're working on this 2023 Toyota Camry. We changed out the air filter. It's pretty easy. Just a couple clips you gotta take off. I want to start here. Take off the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Take that off. Move this clip like this. Pull it up. Same thing for this side. Pull it up. And there's a little clip down here. Get a screwdriver. Press those tabs on the side. And it'll slide out. Got that out. Next, you want to press these tabs here. Push that one back. There's another one here. Push that to the side. So now you can go ahead and kind of get it out of these holders. So if you lift up on it and pull back, it'll come up. And the air filter is right here. That's already replaced it. I'm just making a video on it. So you just lift it up, pull it out of place, slide a new one in. So when you go to reinstall it, just put these back in those clips there at the back. Make sure everything's lined up correctly. Get these silver tabs, place them back in like here. That tab, place that in. And you just basically just reinsert all your clips. Clip here, clip here, another clip here. Put your connector back in, and you're done. It takes less than 5 minutes. Anyone can do it. So that's how you replace the air filter on a 2023 Toyota Camry. Yeah, until next time, guys. So car repairs, the car garage. Peace out.